What's up, Mr. Chang? This is COVID day 2 lesson. I'm posting it on Monday because you guys are such high achievers. You want to get everything done ahead of time. I get it. So here goes. Day 2. We're talking about 3-dimensional solids at this point. We've been doing just circles, rectangles, polygons for the last couple of weeks. Now we're going to take it to the next level. We're going to do 3 dimensions. The first thing I wanted to share with you guys is the difference between 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. I think most of you know it, but in case you don't, here's a quick, I'm going to try to make this like 1 minute, maybe 2. 2-dimensional versus 3-dimensional. So 2-dimensional, rectangle, triangle, circles, things that are flat on a piece of paper. Typically 2 dimensions, it means you can measure it in only 2 ways. Okay, a shape that you see on paper that you can only measure in 2 ways, that's 2-dimensional, right? Right here, 2-dimensional. It's flat, and there's only 2 ways you can measure it. You can do width and length. That's why it's called 2-dimensional, 2 ways to measure it. Now, if you have a 3-dimensional object like everything in this world, like this box, this is a 3-dimensional object. I'm 3-dimensional, you're 3-dimensional, right? You can do length, you can do width, but then you've got this 3rd dimension, which is depth. Sometimes it's called height, okay? But if you can measure things in 3 ways, that's 3-dimensional. That's the difference between 2D and 3D, the number of measurements, and obviously you know that a 3-dimensional object is a solid. It's a thing. It exists outside of paper, right? It's like an actual object. So that's 2D versus 3D. It's only 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Most of you already knew this, but if you didn't, there you go. Chang out.